use Mailchimp to collect email addresses, create a sign-up form. Log into your Mailchimp account and navigate to the Audience tab. Click on Sign Up Forms and choose the type of form you want to create. Design your form. Customize the design and fields of your sign-up form to align with your brand and collect the information you need. You can add fields for names, email addresses, and additional data. Embed your form. Once you've designed your form, copy the embed code provided by Mailchimp and paste it onto your website or blog where you want the form to appear. You can also share the form URL or integrate it with your social media profiles. Promote your form. Encourage visitors to your website or social media channels to sign up for your email list by promoting your sign-up form. You can include calls to action in blog posts, social media posts, and email campaigns. Incentivize sign-ups. Offer incentives such as discounts, freebies, or exclusive content to entice people to subscribe to your email list. Track and analyze. Monitor the performance of your sign-up form in Mailchimp's analytics dashboard. Track metrics like the number of sign-ups, conversion rates, and sources of traffic to optimize your sign-up process.